Hello, plant explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an amazing adventure into the world of plants. Are you ready to learn some super cool things? Let's get started. First, let's play a fun game called Thumbs Up, Thumbs Down. I'll ask a question, and you'll give me a thumbs up for yes or a thumbs down for no. Ready? First question, are plants living things that need food, water, air, and light to live? What do you think? Thumbs up. That's right. It's like us. Plants need all those things to stay healthy and grow big and strong. Next one, is soil the part of the ground where plants are planted and grow? Thumbs up. Soil is like a cozy home for plants. How about this? Is a sapling a young tree? Thumbs up again. A sapling is just a baby tree. Isn't that cute? Okay, get ready for this one. Is pollination when you sprinkle water over a plant? Thumbs down. That's called watering. We'll learn what pollination really is in a little bit. Next question. Are seeds the beginning of a new plant? Yes, thumbs up. Most plants start their life as a tiny little seed. Do the leaves of evergreen trees change colors in the fall? What do you think? Thumbs down. Evergreen trees stay green all year round. That's why they're called evergreen. How about deciduous trees? Do deciduous trees lose their leaves in the fall? Thumbs up. They sure do. They get ready for a long winter sleep. Next, do the roots of a plant hold the plant in place in the soil? Yes, thumbs up. Roots are like strong anchors holding the plant steady. Okay, here's a tricky one. Do plants drink water through their petals? Thumbs down. That's not right. The petals are the colorful parts, but they don't drink water. Are crops plants that people eat and use, like wheat and corn? Thumbs up. We eat crops every day. Do plants provide people with oxygen and food? What do you think? Absolutely. Thumbs up. We need plants to breathe and to eat. They're so important. If something is gigantic, does that mean it is very small? Thumbs down. Gigantic means it's super, super big. Does a root mature or grow up into a seed? Thumbs down. That's silly. It's the other way around. A seed grows roots. Do plants need water and light for survival? Yes, a big thumbs up. They need water and sunshine to survive. Last one. Do the branches of deciduous trees become bare when they lose their leaves in the fall? Thumbs up. That's right. Their branches are all bare until new leaves grow in the spring. You guys are plant experts. Now, it's time to get creative. Grab your activity page and some crayons. Let's color a beautiful plant together. First, find the part of the plant that keeps it in the ground and soaks up nutrients and water. Those are the roots. Color the roots, dark brown. Next, find the part of the plant that is sealed in a protective covering and will grow into a new plant. That's the seed. Color the seed light brown. Now look for the part that supports the plant and carries water to the other parts. That's the stem. Let's color the stem dark green. What about the part that makes food for the plant? Those are the leaves. Color the leaves light green. And finally, what's the pretty part that makes the seeds? That's the flower. Let's color the flower a beautiful red. Great job. Your plant looks amazing. Now, we learned that plants need 3 things to live. We know one is food. On your picture, can you draw the other 2 things plants need? That's right. Draw some water drops and a big, bright sun for light. Let's move on to our next activity. On your page, you'll see some pictures. Circle the things that we get from plants. I see an apple, some corn, and a bouquet of flowers. All of those come from plants, so let's circle them all. Now look at the 2 trees on your page. One is a deciduous tree, and one is an evergreen tree. Can you draw a brown circle around the deciduous tree, the one that loses its leaves? And draw a green circle around the evergreen tree, the one that stays green all year. Fantastic. You've all done such a wonderful job today. Let's do a quick final check on what we learned. Are all plants exactly the same? Thumbs down. There are so many different kinds of plants. Do plants make their own food? Thumbs up. They do, using sunlight, water, and air. It's like magic. Do both deciduous and evergreen trees lose all their leaves in the fall? Thumbs down. Only deciduous trees do. Remember Polly, the honeybee? She goes from flower to flower. Is she helping with pollination? Thumbs up. That's what pollination is. She's helping plants make new seeds. And one last fun fact, was a famous scientist named George Washington Carver known as the plant doctor? Thumbs up. He was because he knew so much about how to help plants grow. Wow, you all learned so much about the wonderful world of plants today. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for joining me on this green adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.